This ex-Orange County deputy accused of murdering his wife, who also worked for the sheriff's office, is hoping to be released from jail. Anthony Shea here has been locked up with no bond since his arrest last year for the murder of Lieutenant Ellie Shea. Prosecutors say he tried to frame his wife's death as a suicide. West 2 investigative reporter Justin Shecker was in the courtroom for the critical bond hearing.
Ellie Shea was not suicidal.
Prosecutors say ex-Orange County Sheriff's Office Sergeant Anthony Shea fatally shot Lieutenant Ellie Shea in the head in the master bedroom of their Orlando home last October.
She's a deputy. I used to be deputy.
Shea's 911 call is heard on a key piece of evidence for the state. Prosecutors say he inadvertently started a 54-minute audio recording on his wife's cell phone.
Not a word, not a sound in reaction to what is before him. And then you hear like a whimper that builds. And it's not until 911 connects that all of a sudden he's hysterical.
Shea resigned from the sheriff's office in August 2024 during an internal investigation into him having an affair on the job. Prosecutors say his life was falling apart.
In 45 minutes before she is killed, she is searching for what to do when she has been raped by her husband. So this defendant had a motive.
The state attorney also presented the FDLE report that found Shea's DNA matched the sample from the trigger of the gun located on the bed.
If this is a first-degree murder case, right, he intended it, he planned it out, he did everything he could. He's a cop for 23 years. You don't think he knows how to put her DNA on a trigger or his DNA off of a trigger?
What about the audio recording?
Well, there's interesting about that. We don't show every one of our cards in a hearing like this, but there is some real questions about the veracity or the accuracy of that audio tape.
The prosecutor also played a voice message obtained by investigators that Lieutenant Shea sent a friend 2 months before her death.
I'm not taking the easy way out. I gotta be here for my girls, and I have to make sure that they have a good life.
And the judge says she'll issue a written order on whether to grant Anthony Shea bond either tomorrow or by Monday. Covering Orange County in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, West 2 News.